to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. What a classic. Just a beautiful car in that beautiful yellow. Matching yellow seats, yellow steering wheel, yellow shifter knob. What a great looking car. In the trunk is the original front license plate, the original floor mats, a little part for the hardtop, and the instructions here for tire change, all there, and even wheel locks with it. So the whole thing pretty darn cool. Look at that. So we'll close the trunk. It's got that little aqua Thunderbird. That looks so beautiful from the back. It's awesome. Dual exhaust. Here's your wheels, the nice Thunderbird wheels with painted rotors and painted calipers. You can see the rotors in there are painted red. They look fabulous. You can see inside the car, this thing has just not been outside. It is a gorgeous, well-kept, collectible item. 11,000 kilometers. Look at the seats. They are just like brand new. It is gorgeous. Have a look in the door frames here. And in here is the original window sticker for the car. It was $58,000 brand new. What a beauty. So the optional equipment there shown, and just awesome. And yes, the books are here with the car. So the books right here and the convertible top tool also there. So everything is there. Good looking car. Wow. The door panels are so gorgeous, aren't they? So let me close that door and have a look down the side. It is gorgeous. Here is our front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, beautiful tires, nice brakes, painted rotors, painted calipers. Under the hood is the Thunderbird V-8. It was the Lincoln LS motor, produced about 260 horsepower. So not a screaming fast car, but a really nice car. And the V8, of course, runs beautifully. You can see how clean and tidy this thing is. It is absolutely stunning everywhere, just gorgeous. So it also comes with the factory hardtop, which you see right there. That's also included. Have a look at the front grille here. Outstanding, just beautiful. Here's our other wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, clean as a pin, just gorgeous, and the same back here. Michelin tires, everything is awesome. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, and a power trunk. You've got automatic headlamps there. The seat's in fantastic condition. Look at that, and the steering wheel with that nice yellow. So let's fire this one up. Just like a brand new car, 11,320 kilometers on it. Outstanding machine, beautiful interior. Love that design of the dash. It just looks so pretty. And over here is the AM/FM stereo. Let me make that stop. AM/FM stereo with a CD player and a 6-pack. And then you've got fully automatic air conditioning and your power top right there. The original cigarette lighter with it. The original smoker's package with the ashtray, never been used, but it's with it as well. And then in here is your little glove box for holding other gloves, and then of course your cup holders. So we're going to put the top up now and just show you how easy that is. It's a one-button push program, so very simple. And then you've got a glass back window with a defroster. The only thing you have to do after that is latch that latch like that, and then put your power windows up. Everything's working beautifully. Feels fabulous. It feels like a brand new car, and it looks like a brand new car. You've got steering wheel controls on here and steering wheel controls for the cruise control there. Again, you've got automatic headlamps also, and down here is your traction control off. But look in the door frames. This thing is absolutely immaculate. What a beauty. You can hear it running, or better yet, you can't hear it running. It's so smooth. Fabulous car. Look at that. That is classic. So of course it has the hardtop with it that you see right there with the portholes in it. Good looking top. That makes this look quite different, as you'll see in the photos on our ad online. Great looking machine. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2002 Ford Thunderbird in yellow with the yellow interior, the yellow hardtop with porthole windows, and just a fabulous car, 11,000 kilometers. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.